The Sunbeda Red Lions dominate in the very first match of the semi-final rounds kontra sa CSB Blazers sa NCAA Season 101. You know what time it is? Hands in. Jonty's a monster, dude. I don't know what else to tell you, but Jonty's a monster. He scored 29 points and 9 rebounds, and he was hitting pro move after pro move kontra sa CSB. Like, I'm sure they've done their scouting report. I'm sure they've had their defense lined up at plano nilang pahirapan tong si Jonty. But for some freaking reason, he cannot be stopped. And in addition, dahil naging problema na siya in the first place, the defense had to be more occupied with him that it left a lot of people scoring too. And this was just a really well-orchestrated plan para kay Coach Yuri Escueta kasi sinusubukan ng CSB na makabalik every once in a while. Pero hindi bumaba yung lamang nila ng 10 points. And when it did, at the start of the fourth quarter, biglang pumutok si Brian Sahonia ng 11 under 3 minutes. 3 3-pointers and a midi to finish it off. Kumbaga yung mga nag-aabang na mga gusto ng comeback sana parang wala na silang magawa eh. We are at a good pace to see a Sunbeda versus Letran matchup happen again. So if you're Perpetual or if you're CSB, you don't want to let that happen. You want to take this to a 3-game series or else the season's gonna be over.